I see my little oven here. I've got some pies in my little TravelBuddy oven. I'm going to be reviewing that product.
The TravelBuddy 12-volt oven is a compact oven designed for camper and compact vehicles such as mine. So, as you watch me eat a pie, let me try and explain a little more. It's an oven. It's made of stainless steel. It's compact. From turning on the oven, these pies took about 45 minutes to get to a nice temperature. The makers say it can be used for all kinds of roasts. A roast? Sure. Christmas dinner? I don't think so. I'm Andrew St Pierre White. Join me as I share my passion for building four-wheel drive trucks and then travelling to the remotest parts of the world. Okay, that's good. This actually was the first time I used it, and now comes the second time I used it.
This here is called a TravelBuddy. It is an oven. This particular one they call a marine oven. It is the biggest of the three in the range, I think. And I'm going to heat up a meal. So it has a timer there. This little piece of sponge is to stop it rattling. Just remember to take it out. But it's actually quite nicely made, because even the little drawers that they make have got little, the way that's designed, they don't really fall about inside. It's really quite nice. There are two little trays, and it has a timer there that I'm going to put onto 1 hour, and then I can put my temperature to that, and it draws about 10 amps. So, there you go. It's not the first time I've used it, actually. It's the second time I've used it, and I think it's great. I really think it's a fantastic little thing. Chicken and rice dish. It's pre-made, so I'll just warm it up.
This might be the shortest review in history. It comes with little clamps so you can clamp it down permanently if you want to, and I'm going to be using it. I love it. I think it's a fantastic little addition to my kitchen. What more can I say?